So hey guys, welcome back to our channel In Love with the Truth with Neha Baveja, and today we're gonna talk about something really profound which I understood from my own, from my own experience actually. But before that, I would say that if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you have not pressed the bell icon, press the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications on time. So how many of us really love to travel around, exploring the new places, going all around, having fun? So how many of us truly love to travel actually? So if you truly want to understand your own self, what all you have inside of you, okay, I tell you, one of the biggest thing what will reveal your own personality, which will reveal your own traits to yourself, that is the travel. But travel not with friends, not with families, but it's gonna be a solo travel. Trust me on this, guys, that this is my personal experience. For the first time, okay, in my life, after 34 years of my life, okay, I traveled for the first time solo actually, right? And before that, I used to feel that, oh, I know, I'm so outgoing person, I can go and talk to anybody and everybody, right? But it's like, it's so easy to travel, it's so easy. But every time I've traveled with somebody or the other, either my office colleagues or my friends or my family or my husband. So I've always traveled with somebody. But for the first time when I had to travel solo, I had tears in my eyes. I don't know, there was so much of anxiety, I could feel there was so much of inhibitions. I could feel that no, I don't want to go I don't want to travel solo. And trust me, if it would not have been my business trip, I would have completely, cancelled that trip. Like, it was something so there was a trip which we organized, as a team, to Goa, and I had to travel all alone from Delhi. There was nobody else who was traveling in the same flight, who was traveling at the same, timings. So that's where for the first time I realized, I had literal tears in my eyes, okay. But in that travel, during that travel, I came to know a lot of things about me. I came to know that what all areas I need to work upon, what all, there are unhealed, I would say parts inside me that which I really need to heal. And the best way to heal your unhealed parts is just to take long breaths. This is exactly what I have figured out in my last 3.5-4 years of journey into spirituality, that nothing can beat better than taking long breaths. That's it. Along with the long breaths, what needs to be taken care of? So जैसे कोई बच्चा अगर जैसे मॉल में जाता है एंड दैट किड लव समथिंग एंड पेरेंट को वो बोलता है मुझे ये चाहिए, ओके, एंड द पेरेंट सेज नो, यू विल नॉट बी गिवन, ओके, और वो नीचे ज़मीन पे लेट जाता है. सो रियान हैज़ डन लॉट मेनी टाइम्स एंड आई डोंट इवन बॉदर अबाउट दैट थिंग. वो ज़मीन पे लेट के रोया है मॉल्स में, एंड आई वॉज लाइक ओके, रो लो, क्या कर सकते हैं हम. नो मीन्स नो. इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट 100 रुपये का टॉय, 1000 रुपये का टॉय या 10,000 रुपये का टॉय, बट इट इज़ मोर अबाउट whether it is needed in your life or not, whether you really understand the value of that thing or not. I can't be buying you more and more stuff, okay. So anyway, so the more the less I used to pay attention to him. He used to be, okay, after 5 minutes he knew that my mama will not listen to me, my mama will not listen to my cries. It's the same way that the unhealed parts, they actually cry a lot within the body. They create so much of pain, they create so much of drama, they create so much of emotions. And if you leave them unnoticed, if you leave them unattended, trust me, they will just vanish. If you'll not make any drama out of that drama, it will just vanish, and just take long breaths and things will be perfectly fine. I would say dosto that that travel as much as you can. Don't this is my life learnings, that keep a percentage of your income. So 20% of my income I always keep it aside for my travel, okay? Because I know that last minute I really want to, you know, I have to travel, so I really can't take out money from my, you know, normal routine. I can't do that. But yes, if there is a budget, yes, absolutely, you know, that we need to travel around the world. And trust me, solo travel से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं होता है, because you happen to meet to so many people, you know, so many people you meet, and you understand their cultures, you understand, you know, what all they like, what all they don't like. The languages are different, everything is different. So this is one of the most important tip I would say, that you know, that in your 20s and 30s you should travel around, and you should cover most places in India and even abroad also. Just go all out and make the most of your 20s and 30s, even 40s also. I'm yet to cross my 40s, so I can't say that, okay? But 20s and 30s you should make the most of it. Start saving, you know, 20% of your income. And trust me, अभी ऐसा लगता होगा, because when I started, you know, saving, so I used to feel that, oh, how can I separate 20%? But trust me, once I started doing it, it's been 3 years now, three and a half years now. So once I started doing it, it has started happening. I don't know how the funds are still accumulating, but yes, it accumulates. So one of the best ways to know yourself is to travel, but travel solo. Yeah, so with this I would like to close my video. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and with this I would say peace, babush.